Welcome to Pesto's Test Kitchen, where we are celebrating the holiday of, Lauren?
Friendsgiving.
Friendsgiving.
Wow. This is what it's
that time of year already?
Yeah, and Lauren's going to explain exactly what that is in a second. But let's introduce our friends, shall we?
Well, we have Sam and
Sam
Rachel.
and just got married.
Just got married.
Yeah.
Leo from
Right.
Leo's Ristorante in Howland.
Right.
Michael Yanesi, professional gambler. I am Mark Canzonetta, host of Pesto in the Test Kitchen. My beautiful wife, Melissa.
Mike and Lauren and Dr. Farmer.
Dr. Tony Farmer.
It's just a sampling of our friends. We couldn't fit any more in the kitchen.
There's not enough.
We have a big crowd today.
Yes, we do, and
As Friendsgiving should be.
that's what it's all about. Right?
Okay, what is it?
First of all, so many people have become our friends because of this show, which
lot.
we're really grateful for. And Dr. Farmer, you're always asking, can we come? Can we hang out? Always. She's our friend on this show. So
We love it. We love
have
it.
a good time. And Mark was so kind to be able to put together so many different dishes that are perfect for low stress and the people that we want to be
is kinda
thankful
low
for.
stress.
Sometimes family can be a little stressful. So
It
this
can
is,
be.
the love of everybody that are just, friends. That
And we knew that was going to happen right then and there.
Oh, the
the
waffle.
waffle iron
We'll
had to
explain
go
that.
off right then and
Bada
there.
bing, bada
Explain it in a second. Yeah, normally everyone would bring something to Friendsgiving,
Right.
but our friend Mark just made all the stuff by himself.
I did.
I
didn't
bring
make everything. I have a very talented team over at
Right.
Bistro 1907. They were very gracious to help me with some of these
And we
things.
didn't have to do anything.
And-
So
no,
why
that's
don't
a perfect
Why don't
Friendsgiving
you
for you.
start down there and talk about what we have and what's on our menu
Well, you know what?
for Friendsgiving?
When we go to Thanksgiving, everybody has a great Thanksgiving. They have everybody's interpretation of Thanksgiving dinner. Friendsgiving should be more of like, oh wow, I want to break from that. Maybe still have some of the integrity of Thanksgiving. So we're gonna I have a beautiful smoked turkey breast over there, from our friends at Vienna, and then we're gonna do a stuffing waffle, and we're gonna have an open face turkey sandwich with a stuffing waffle, turkey gravy, and cranberry mustardo.
Have you ever heard of such a
We have some small shrimp
I
over
know.
there because when we're talking about our friends, we want to make sure we impress them.
Those are a meal
with
every
one of the
bite.
biggest shrimp we can find. Those are called UH shrimps, or 8 to a pound. So those are big shrimps. We're going to build, all of us, and our dear friend Leo over here, because he owns an Italian restaurant. We're going to build a perfect salumi and cheese board. So we're going to do that.
This is it.
That's it. That's some of the ingredients
size
for
of
that.
these shrimp, Mark,
I know, they're amazing. Mike's slicing up some salumi.
Thank you, Cleveland
We
Seafood.
have turkey
Yeah, Cleveland
meatballs.
Seafood
We're going to do
is
turkey
bringing it
meatballs with a
today.
maple glaze.
Okay.
We have some great stuffed mushrooms with boursin cheese, spinach, garlic, breadcrumbs. We're going to do this amazing kicked up version of lettuce wraps. We're going to do some turkey lettuce wraps. Mike, you're going to come over to the stove and make some great rice noodles,
Right.
puff up, and it's going to be great TV. And
Yes, I am.
so we have a lot of great food. We have some great wine, great friends, and that's what it's all about. So I think Leo and I are going to come over here and make some turkey.
Okay. You
Lettuce
guys go
wraps.
ahead. So I want to ask you. So tell me the meats and cheeses we have here real quick.
We have some great chorizo. We have some
Okay.
finocchia. We have some Gouda, some Parmigiano Reggiano. We have
That's
a
this one.
duck pastrami over there.
That's that one.
We have a Portuguese sausage. We have
Okay.
some Emmentaler and some Gruyere.
Okay. And do you have to pick meats and cheeses that
I
go
think
with
they
each
should
other?
go along Parmesan with Genoa. Italian to Italian, Spanish to Spanish. But they're all good. They all
Yeah.
go great together, and nothing brings them together better than a great glass of wine.
No rules. No rules. You cut.
rules.
I'm going to go over here and watch
We're
these
coming
guys.
over here.
Let's make some meatballs, shall we?
We're gonna make some
Come on,
meatballs.
Leo.
So Leo, you've been making meatballs longer than me, man.
Turn this
I
on.
never made meatballs in your kitchen back in the day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw down some sesame oil, some toasted sesame oil. We're gonna turn up that heat a little bit. With Asian cooking, you always want to have ginger, garlic, and I'm using roasted garlic because maybe our friends don't want to smell garlic on their breath, so we're
Right,
going to use some roasted
right.
garlic and scallions. So we're just going to start off, get a quick saute on that. You want to bring it out until all the perfumes of the ginger and the garlic come out. Then we're going to add some water chestnuts. We're going to add some celery, some carrots, some diced red peppers. Now, do you like meatballs spicy?
I do.
We're going to add a little bit of Fresno chili. It's got a nice balance. Sometimes it can be a jalapeno's baby brother, or sometimes it can be a jalapeno's ugly grandfather.
Okay.
So it just matters
And we don't-
which
as of
way
now,
it grows.
we don't know,
We
right?
don't know. It's going to be a surprise.
Okay.
And then we're going to add some ground turkey. I like to use 93% turkey, 7% fat, so it's a 93 and 7% mix. So we're just
Because
going to bring because the fat content. You don't want super high fat content because Thanksgiving is so rich. We have all those rich foods, a lot of butter and stuffing,
Yep.
a lot of butter in the sweet potatoes, all those other things. So we want to make this a little bit healthy. So now I'm going to add some sweet soy sauce, and I love sweet soy in this. Gives a nice sweet flavor,
I
plus
didn't
that
even know
beautiful.
they had sweet sauce.
They do. It's a glaze. I love rice vinegar because you want that acid in it to bring out all the flavors. And Leo, you can do that for me. Just going to deglaze around the outside. And then Mike, you know, when we build these lettuce wraps, I love doing things with textures and crunches. So Mike, you're gonna do the world famous rice noodles.
I've always wanted to do that.
You're gonna do it right now. Drop it in there, man. Let's see what happens.
How far back should I be?
No, just, it takes a second for it to go. So just drop it in and you're gonna be fine.
Like from far
Just
up?
go ahead. Don't be scared. Wait for it. Wait for it.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. It's gonna bubble in a second. Oh yeah, it's just getting
comes the
happy.
bubbling.
Wait for it.
I always wanted to do that. How do you know when it's done?
When the bubbles go very, very small, just like when you're frying tortilla chips, when the bubbles go small, you know it's done.
There you go.
There you go.
And it's done.
And it's done. Pull them out.
Yeah. And then what?
There you go. And just tilt it to the side because we don't have a thing on it, and we're just going to hold those just like this, Mike.
Okay.
Right here.
You tell him a little shaky.
That's okay. You were nervous. You thought it was going to be like fireworks.
I thought it was going to be that big thing.
So Leo's got that working. You got the rice noodles working.
Yeah.
We're going to come back. We're going to assemble some more things. We're going to have a great time and enjoy each other's friendship, as we should on this festive day.
Oh, this is going to be so good. Are you ready for this?
I cut it all up.
You did?
Oh, good. You have that, and that to go.
So right now we're going to put the
There
turkey meatballs in the oven. We're going to put the spinach stuffed mushroom caps in the oven. We're going to come back. We're going to talk about all the food, how we have such interactive fun, because you want your cocktail party or your Friendsgiving party to be very interactive. You want people to have a job. You want them to build things. You want them to have fun with food, and that's what food does. Food is an amalgamator. It brings people together. It brings families together. It creates memories.
Yeah. Everybody agree?
Sounds good.
All right. So next time we come back, we're going to assemble all the food.
Yeah.
And then we're going to all say what we're thankful for.
Absolutely.
You have to think of one thing you're thankful for.
Absolutely.
Just one. Just one, okay?
All right.
All right.
All right, we'll be right back.
At this. Don't screw up.
This is my second time. The first time didn't go very well.
1, go.
It's like we just won the national
was like-
championship. or something.
That was beautiful.
Well, you don't want to do it.
No, you did fine.
Friendsgiving back in Pesto's test kitchen, and another friend just showed up, which we're so glad that we're
That's what happens at
You
Friendsgiving.
never know who's going to show up to the test
That's
kitchen.
right.
That's what's
That
great.
is
You know, I'm
the beauty of
surprised
it.
my neighbors just don't come in here because they see all the trucks and the
too.
cars out front.
Yeah.
I'm surprised they just don't show
Are they
up.
invited in retrospect?
Anytime they want to
Okay.
come by.
Very
Anytime
good.
they want to come by.
You want to go down and talk about the menu we have?
Oh my gosh, Mike! You know, I want
Because
to
we
thank
put it all
Hillcrest
together.
Foods, one of our sponsors, and Cleveland Seafood Company. We have that amazing Thanksgiving waffle with that smoked turkey breast with maple and bourbon
Right.
and gravy and Thanksgiving cranberry sauce. Look at that! That's amazing.
Finished product.
The turkey meatballs down there by Dr. Farmer with a little bit of jalapeno, Fresno, and maple syrup glaze. The shrimp cocktail. I can't even begin to talk about the shrimp cocktail. Doc, how is that?
Yeah.
I think you need to get in there and give us. You're gonna fight somebody for that?
Dig in and go.
Leo
Don't
and
wait up.
Michael and Mike, they made this great salumi and cheese board. A lot of great stuff from a lot of great vendors. And Mike from the Bread Chef provided us with that beautiful cranberry raisin almond bread. Phenomenal. Mike, you and I are going to get down on this
yeah,
big
we're learning
lettuce
about
and
that.
the Oriental
Pick
chip
this up,
turkey.
Leo, real quick.
And then
let's
we
show
have
this.
some great mushroom stuff with boursin cheese and garlic and breadcrumbs and spinach.
It's coming your
But
way.
now is the time where we had all this great hard work. Everybody worked so hard.
Yeah.
Now's the time
There
for
we
us
go.
to say what we're thankful for, and then dig in.
Well, let's just dig in.
Oh, we're
What's
just
like to
digging
be
in.
Thankful after.
All right, so Mike,
All right. So
this is living lettuce. This is from Cleveland.
Yeah.
And this comes from East 55th Street.
What kind of lettuce is it?
This is bib lettuce
Bib
from
lettuce.
Green
Why
City
is it
Growers.
living lettuce?
Because it's got the seed stem attached. It's still living with a little bit of water in the package.
Poor little guy.
Poor little guy.
Yeah.
You know, Leo and I made this great filling with the turkey meat and the chestnuts and the garlic and the scallions and ginger.
Okay.
You made the I'm going to put this in your hand.
All right, I got it. Dig
now
in,
you're
you
going to
guys.
take
Dig
some
in
of
while
those
we do.
noodles. Everybody dig in. Get some of those crispy rice noodles. Now you build it yourself.
Right.
You got the micro cilantro, the peanuts, the scallions, the torgayashi, the toasted
Just with my
sesame.
fingers? You okay with it?
Get in there. It's,
All right.
We're friends.
Friends, right?
We're friends now.
We're friends.
All right, I'm gonna
I should
try.
be taking the fork, but I'm not.
Michael, I know you're not a stranger to this feast. Leo, you know, I started off as an apprentice under Leo a long time ago, and you know we've been working together as friends for a long time. Oh, that honey is just dark wildfire honey. It's gonna blow your mind when you taste it.
They're too far. You guys are too far from the food.
Too far from the food?
Roberto, grab
Tell
the
Bobby,
turkey.
please eat
Grab
something.
that turkey plate. Let's hand it down to those other guys. How about that? Right there. This right here. Grab that. Yeah.
I think I got one.
So
Hand
this
it
is,
down. Hand it
to
down.
me, this is what it's all about. Bringing friends, family. I've always had a motto at my house. We're kind of like the island of misfit toys. Whoever doesn't have a home for Thanksgiving comes over to our house. Because we want to provide food and friendship to everybody around.
How about people that still have a home for Thanksgiving? Can we still come to your
Absolutely.
house? Okay, great.
Mike, I think I'm making your Thanksgiving turkey.
I think you should. I don't care what the cost is.
You like that?
Stick.
Good.
Great idea.
It's so
I think
good.
I have honey in my hair.
Okay, Roberto, are we doing our thanks?
Let's take our break.
Oh, let's take our break.
Take our break. We'll let everybody think about it.
Okay.
Process it. Digest it a little bit.
Oh, great.
And talk about the things that they're thankful
I'm
for.
not used to a break.
Yeah, let's take a break.
Leo, are you used to a break?
Oh, we got a lot to eat.
Be right back. All right, back here in Pesto's Test Kitchen. Just by a show of hands, how many have ever had Friendsgiving before?
This is my first.
How many people would do it again next weekend if we wanted to?
Yes. I think we should do it once a week.
How many people have shrimp in their teeth? Oh, good. I thought it was just me. I don't know. I thought it was just me. What are you thankful for, Dr. Farmer?
This may sound cliche,
Yeah.
but I'm thankful for health, because as a surgeon, without good health, you can't be present for yourself
Right.
or for others.
And
Good
with,
health.
and with good health, there wouldn't be any surgeons. So, you know, we're thankful. How about you two, Rachel and Sam?
Well, I'm
Newlyweds.
thankful for getting a new husband, getting rid of Mike last month.
What do you mean? I wasn't there. All right, and you, Sam?
I'm just thankful for this beautiful country that we live in.
Oh, that's pretty good.
That's really nice.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Mike?
All right, Michael, you want to see?
You know what?
You're up next.
I'm so thankful for my children and my best friends.
Aw.
Mark, Leo, we just have great times.
Don't forget the one that's missing. He's
I'm
protecting
Dominic.
the peace.
Wish you were here.
Dominic?
And you know what?
You
It's
missed out, brother.
just love it. It's just amazing.
Leo?
I'm thankful for being invited today.
Good.
Wonderful. This
Well,
is
we're
great
honored to
food,
have you, my
great
friend.
people. This is a great day.
I probably wouldn't have went to CIA without Leo and his help in getting me in, because I wasn't exactly a great honors student going to CIA. They actually sent somebody down to see if I was sound mentally enough to go to culinary school,
And turns out this
because
guy
I didn't have good test scores.
Honest to goodness, it's so great to have so many people in our world, and I think it's my turn.
Go ahead.
Yes,
We're
it
going
is.
around. We're going around.
I am very much thankful for my team and this family that we've created, like with a whole bunch of love. So
Yep.
thank you to all of you. Like you guys have really changed my life, all of you.
Aw.
So, true.
I am thankful for every blessing every day that I get to count. There's
So
more
many.
than enough to go around with us.
Yes. And I am thankful for everybody in this room, my wife, our beautiful 4 daughters, our grandchildren, our new grandbaby Seviano, and just the honor to be able to do what I do every day and make people happy. That's what I'm thankful for.
Roberto, your turn. Follow that one up.
Yeah, right.
Good luck,
Like
Mike.
everybody else, I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for good friends, good food, and good health.
Good health, amen.
Cheers.
Amen. And what about good bubbles?
Good bubbles.
Lauren gave us the most amazing bubbles we have.
right.
You
Lauren
know.
always has a little bit of help around
thankful for
all
Lauren
the friends
today.
that are not here.
So cheers, everybody.
Salute.
Salute. Thank you, everybody, for being in the test kitchen. I thank God and I thank this beautiful country we're able to live in. And everybody have a wonderful Thanksgiving, whether it's with your family or this beautiful, amazing tradition that's become popular, Friendsgiving. So cheers to everybody.
Cheers.
God bless.
Cheers.
Salute.
Cheers.